Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Joker movie font design. Okay, I will provide this background pic and texture download link in description. Go and download it. Still I'm not yet downloaded. Just click download button. It's not a button, it's a just text. Sure, I will change it. I will change into the button. Okay, here you need to download this is texture we're going to use, so download it. Also I will provide the font download link. Okay, it's dafontfree.co. It's at jokerfont.zip. Okay, I think I will provide this link. Click download, and it will redirect to next page. And again, click download. Yeah, it will definitely download it. It will download. Okay, sorry. Where is? Yeah, this one. And just extract it, guys. If you don't have inbuilt extract option, means kindly download 7-zip in Play Store and extract it, guys. Just I'm going to extract it on MF folder. Yeah, it's extracting. Yeah, font extracted. Background picture also downloaded. Now Pixel app. If you don't have Pixel app, means kindly download it from the Play Store, guys. Cancel now. Plus from gallery. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Yeah, done. Now again plus text. Just here you can type your name, guys. Okay. Text block ID. Yeah, capitalized. Now I'm going to choose the A type to here. Now font. My fonts. Uh, Actually, I'm not imported Joker font, so I need to import it. So plus MF folder Joker font Gothic Joker.etf. Yeah, it's in the end. It's a normal only. Okay. Uh, Sorry, guys. Size is now too small. Yeah, that's fine. Select the text layer and relative position center, and use position little bit. Okay, that's fine. Now texture from gallery. I'm going to add this one. Texture embed. That's it, guys. By this way, you can generate. Save as image. Yeah, save to gallery. Guys, by this way, you can design a Joker movie font for your name. I provided other background also, guys. See, you can use this background also to for background. For more videos, stay tuned our not videos. For more movie font design, stay tuned our YouTube channel. In the description, I provide the background and texture download link and font download link. If you want any movie font, means please let me know in comment section. Just now I started posting about movie fonts. Yeah, I'm covering from the old to new only. If anything you needed in the new movie font, means please comment it. Definitely I will provide, guys. Okay, bye.